on a war, you know. But you see, if them call me name, cause everything when me just talk a logic, a truth. Nothing when me talk like. Because watch a style I know. Me have proof, me have evidence. You understand? Me have my receipt them. So me no need nothing more. No. Me just need for just know say, as of now, when people see me, I do with them see. You understand? No,
Don't
well,
associate you with nobody else
well,
going forward.
well. You see
I
me?
do it
Well,
done. No say
you
no
see me?
apple, no queen wave. I
Yes.
do it
All
done. One
all
thing I
hail
make
to the
it
queen
drop.
same way, cause if I never fishy, me would
Yeah, I
not
was about
fly.
to say
You
that.
understand?
True.
Yeah,
In
because
a
you
real
know
life.
True.
that.
You
But
Yes,
you
get
know
what
Love
me
what?
and
I say?
respect for that.
That's
You see me?
True.
true. I did have to
And
say
me
that.
want
But
to stop
so hold
talk to
on,
me I
Dewey.
use the woman.
Do,
Well, I
do
know.
hold
Me
on. You
want
know
them to stop
today?
talk about me I use the woman because what? If
You
me that
talk
use her back
about.
then, me stop use her now.
All
You
right,
hear
Dewey.
that? Me
So
go
una can
me a
run in
tend to
and send in
myself.
on a father and on a
Yeah,
brother. Yeah.
yeah, no
Hold on, Dewey.
can't do that.
Honestly, though,
Make them
today
send in them application.
this conversation today, Dewey, showed a different side of you that a lot of people never saw before. Cause
you
you
Mama,
didn't
yes.
really get to sit on
mama,
and
me tell
talk.
you something. Want make you feel like them love me, so now want me left from around them in a
Cause,
real life.
cause you really want to reason it today. All me, I look why you're different today. I'm not gonna lie.
Mama,
But me already
me
did.
I tell you, me I
Me
tell you
already
straight.
did.
Me I
I look
talk
why
to
Yeah,
my
you're
I
different
did.
father.
I
Me I
anyway.
did.
talk
So
to me I
we
talk to
talk
my
before
daddy. Me I
prime
talk to
and
my
before
me I talk,
reasoning.
me,
So
me
me
I
already
talk to my
know
father
say
2 days ago, and the energy where the man I show me, mama, in a real life, him bring me back to myself. You hear that?
yeah.
In a real life, because as much as me sit
Sometimes
down
you
and
need
tell
your
something,
family and
people
people
see
to
me
bring you
have a
back to
smile on my
yourself.
face. Them don't know the moment me come sit down by my. You hear that?
Yeah, well, especially
Mama,
when you
me tell
turn
you,
this shit off,
me,
it's you and your
me
brain
tell,
alone.
me tell,
That's a
me tell
fact.
you,
I say that shit all the time.
me tell some people say, yo, in a real life, me should have been walk ready. I mean, I know the.
Cause we
You hear
all
that?
have a purpose.
Mama want to you, man. You know, me tell you, when me look back on everything, me still blank out it, you know, because what them block me, you know. But at the mere fact of the day, when you go up on YouTube, and people are sending you this and are sending you that, and you see caption, man, come on, man.
Yeah, cause you can't take but so much.
You understand me? I say, Mama, I just the firmness on my foot. You see, and you see the people them I'm around to again. Enough time, more to even come more
Yeah,
and come talk. You hear that? Because
I
I
can.
can tell you something. As much as some people might see it and say, um, you go up on internet and your class and your this and your that. We are all human being. And any man put themselves in the position and them see them a get bashing, them a come internet. And if them for class, them a go class and give them story. If them not for class, them just a go give for them story. Look on Miss Kitty people them. You understand me? I say, me never know man like that dog on internet and talk with him, if talk and talk. You understand me? I say? In a real life. I just say, a man can only take
But so much.
what him can take. You get me? In a real life. Because me come from your life now, me come for all a joy and whatever may be the case. And, you know, just by people that you're afraid this. Yeah, it make me feel some type of fun. Just like how me see them at them depend them live and I say them people for stop calling me name. And some want them for operate now. Me a deal with me. Strengthening me. Stop strengthening when I did it. You get me?
Yeah, me get it.
We are all human being. Me free for talk to who want to talk to. Nobody no obligation. Cause I'm sure no me no want nobody none you know. And them me that have something in our life already. You hear that? Me not have nothing the same way.
I want to ask you a
Bill
question, though. I'm
Bill
be
me have to
honest,
go
right?
bill over back from scratch. And I don't want to do that. Cause it happen already, it can happen again. And then can't hold me down. No
Do
matter
we?
where them want to hold with marriage already, can't hold me with that. Know that. Big
Do
on that.
we? During
Oh,
the time of your marriage, from 1 to 10, how much percentage at the time you was happy?
I tell you in a real life, you know, mama. From me and her get together till we married, me I tell you straight, a 10 out of 10. You see me? You see from the marriage to me come to the day me left for go England from say 8. See from me reach about England. Ball game change. You hear that? Know that. Believe that. Let me tell you, ball game change, the ball game change. Because if we can all remember when me there Jamaica, if my wife even find out say me give her a bun, she never that company internet come talk that. You understand me I say? That is something we should hold. You get me? In a real life. You know, one of the time when she talk about one girl upon the live. Upon her live, she there and the girl there a comment and say this and I said that and by she I said this and I said that, you know, she must run in a my wife DM and send some screenshot and you see me? And you know, she come back to me and ask me and you don't know, man know them ball games so from me hear the play, man know the play, you see me? You know, I call the girl name in a real life because I don't know. As me say, respect the same way. Because I never have to call nobody name. I could have played like me don't know nothing. You see me? In a real life. So, you know, by me do that, I saw me say she go up on the live and she blew up the girl wearing and the girl put herself in that position there. You understand? Because you want to be known, well, you're going to be known because you can't go on like you want bomb up.
You and your wife ever all on one night and pray?
What you mean? You see that way you just say now, I'm going to show you something. That's why you see. In a life, when you see Father God part your way, you just walk with him too and never stop walk with him. You hear me say to you?
Yeah.
You see the incident wherein I punched her in her face. Me and her sit down after she come out and me I say to my wife say, P, me know he's a very revengeful person and me know this I make you do my back something and you know my wife say, let us pray. We can work together. May I put this past me. You see how pray and pray done. Is that the after my wife stabbed me, you know? No that
Damn.
so you see after blood me say, Father God, you make me get Canada. No that. When me see them when them do what them do, only thing them a call and ask for care. Them now call and ask if me go hospital and what. I just block them off of my phone with them a call. But me never block them off of my next phone. Never block them off of nothing. Them get mad and block me and when them block me, I just block them back. I'm there. Feel like block for block.
I know. This was a lot.
I'm telling
One
man say I hold it to
more
the thing.
question. You have any advice the young men in Jamaica will meet older, more mature women and them live a foreign and them a get themselves in a situation like yours? Do you have any advice where you can tell them so them can be upon them P's and Q's?
Bad man, now one thing we can't tell you, you hear that? In real life, when a woman start this you in any shape or form, run left that. From you have respect for she, and she can see say you have that militancy the fear, and she can disrespect you. From she do it the third time, brother. They ain't bother giving no bad man. I can't tell him say yo, you know a woman attitude. You have to look out for your woman attitude. I can't tell you that. I can't tell you to look out for your woman sign, which sign she born under. No fam. You see me? Just respect. You see me? I mean now I see that you know what time it is.
Why for you talk me feel weird. Me just feel
May I tell it? Tell it that people gonna look at him
yeah,
different.
me like me can't feel him through the phone, brother. Like,
Yeah, people gonna look at
damn.
him different today because it's the first time I ever hear. I'm always remember say I always come on and a laugh and thing. But today we see a different side of him.
Mama, you know to be honest with them, I never know it affect my family the way how it affect my family. When I really call everybody, cause nobody now call me and everybody hold them distant, you know, mama. You hear that? When me call everybody, I call my sister, I call my brother, call everybody. You get me and everybody cry. You hear me tell you, so everybody been affected. hear me say to you? Me know me never go in at them life, go tarnish them life in no shape, nor form. But you see my own, and I want to tell you, I sin sweet, me sit down and call the whole of my family them. You hear me say to you? And me say, yo, this look too bad. Me can't have my family number in my phone.
Yeah,
I'm
me
not.
did I go tell you, say you have to call all of your friend them, your family
Nah.
them, amends and get back good with everybody.
Can't tell you something. You see my friend them? Some of my friend them will never get back them grounds in the sense wherein what we did have from the get go. Cause them Monday, some of them Monday pretty different and dark and illiterate and you see me so that now go mean back for some friend. But you see my friend them I have now in a real life. When you hear me say one connect, don't feel like a joke. If a glass drop right now with an answer. Let me say to you, if a glass drop now, it a answer. Cause now broke. Moo know the thing to man, so we not have to talk 30. Cause big up your dog name on the live and I time them. Moo me not hear now. I wanna gone from.
Just know, Kaya make me
No,
you
me, I make it up. Me did
wow.
a,
Me
me,
never see the
me
side
go
yeah you
upstairs
before
and
me
I
do it. Not tell no lie. Me always see the little laugh and try to play it off like all is good. Man, not even know say mentally this shit lick your mentally. Me always I think to myself, say, Cho,
Mama
do
tell
we
you
alright,
enough
yeah,
time.
man.
Mama can tell you something. Me the right is about myself. Me ain't in nobody space. Me in my own space. You hear that? I'm can
sometimes,
tell you
Alone
enough
sometimes,
time there.
dark room.
Enough
sometimes,
time there, so my brain, I shade even. You hear that? No that.
yeah.
And
Mute your phone, my mama.
and I hold it like a G. If you
Yeah.
say yo, this it now go ever stop till when me have to put a stop to somewhat of it. Maybe can't put a stop to all life, but somewhat of it me have to take a stand to that. Fam. You hear that? Me
Like,
am my own individual.
really,
Me done pay my ties. You understand me? I say me not have nothing more for pay to give nobody. Me no want nobody no obligation. Me no want nobody feel like me owe them no obligation. You hear that? Everybody have them life to live and everybody live them life. The greatest thing, me not disrespect nobody. You understand me? I say? It's just that me and my the ear clear. You understand?
yeah, you just
Me
get
is
a
not
piece of
me is not a single man. Me still married cause I'm in a divorce. You
yeah.
understand? But me there say I do my thing, I set my pace. And I set my regulation wherein nobody can tell me when to move and when not to move. Cause what? Me not believe in that something there. You hear that? That a boy
Oh,
soldier
you
thing.
not a
You
child,
get me?
your husband.
You get me? Me not believe in that. Me believe me for have my boom buckle at once. So me I set my thing.
Boy, do it when I come off of the life with you, I forgot call my father and tell him hello.
I mean, if I call him and tell him me
Yeah,
I want to
call
roll
me I come over here, I hold it like a G. I want people to know say me. Yeah, man, me I go come off of the life, man. We got you a lot. Because I'm not talking, I don't know what him feel or how him feel.
it's a family more time, mama. Family mean a lot to me, you hear that? And sometimes we segregate ourselves from them. And them want segregate themselves from we. You see me? See me get back all the opportunity to call my people. Let me know me feel free in myself.
I
Hold on.
must
Hold
feel
on, hold
happy
on.
for back your people them. You really touch a lot of people today. Because you always a try play it off. Me not even know say you got you a mess up. Just I always feel like a entertainment. Like alright, them a entertain we. You know, me you never know say this really a lick you differently. And thank God you know go out there and hurt yourself certain way. But boy, just pray.
You have a strong in a Gideon, man. You hear that?
Yeah man, you have to stay strong.
Mm, mm.
You have to
Move by
And,
your dread glass.
and I can tell you something, you know, I notice it with life, just through the internet I play. You see, in a real life, people show you love. But you
Mm-hmm.
see behind all of these things, them show you the negative. So you see some of them, you know the negative side of them, because what them play it so pretty in front of
Because
you.
this is
Enough,
control content.
enough of
People
them,
let
enough
you
of
see
them where
what
you
they
see,
want you to see.
are your closest friend them to, I tell you that, Yeah, man, the closest people, them only have them fake page, man, and a
And
torment, man, and
I
a
do you because
torment.
them can't, cause them
Yeah.
know, them can't
Yeah.
show them face. I true do
You
it.
get me?
I true.
That's how you see me right now. Me listen my type of friend them I have with me. As me say, you see from your energy in the right, when I want to have my foot in the you hear that? Cause I'm a energy when I have, make me still the right to say right now. You hear that? In a real life. Just the energy my Father God give me. Cause I can't get up today and I say, me not do that, but same time I go out there and I go all the vibes in. And by me go there's a different vibes me I hold. A greater vibe than when me even plan for. You see me?
I would never expect this today.
That me I tell them, mama, me unpredictably, and I always tell people, them can't study me
Let me tell
here.
you, this
Believe
man it
that.
was a positive energy,
Uh,
you ended on
But,
a
uh, uh,
positive
but, but,
note
but
too,
in a real life,
because
a positivity we are dealing with right now, because I'm not
no,
there
that's what
this
I'm
number, I'm
saying.
not
I
there say,
just
you
said that.
get
I
me?
said,
But
I
just I make
woke
the
up on a
people let know,
positive
see, in
energy.
a real life, a positivity we are dealing with, I'm not
And
there
you
on a
come
negative
on,
in
yeah,
another.
because you make people see from a different perspective from a man's side. And as well, to be honest, I've never really seen you sit down and hold a conversation like
Never.
this. And it's gonna
Never.
Here we
never.
go. So people block me from doing it because them alone to see the potential in me. You get me? I say
Yeah, I get
nobody else
it.
not to see it. You get me?
Yeah, everybody
Me,
be
me,
see the
me can tell you
villain.
something in a real life. Me gonna show you unfair life is. Them can't have man friend. Me can't have no woman friend. You hear that? That's all unfair. Me sit down
That's
and free.
insecure and
That me
control.
I
Sometimes,
tell you.
Dewey,
Uh,
sometimes we as women, we have to, and men too, we have to deal with our own trauma
Mm-hmm.
because it keeps going from one relationship to another relationship to another
Add back
relationship.
Mellow, yeah. Yeah. But do we have some narcissistic people in this world? I realize that Jamaicans are very narcissistic because this is what them think that a person
I know say, I mean, I tell you something, I know say, and a Jamaican are people with power, people who think them have power. You hear
oh.
that? Cause them have money. You hear? Them be
Do it. I'm
But
saying
broke
narcissistic,
to you.
pocket
they want
people do it
control
too.
people.
Broke pocket
No
people
man,
do
no
it.
man, no, watch your mama. No, mm-mm.
I brought the wrong
Me no
card.
know,
Oh my
no
god.
broke man control, nothing in my life.
Oh my god.
Let me say to you, as I done, you
Damn.
have to have power to control people. Me no know no
Yeah,
call him
you can go.
dirty football we are control, nothing.
You can
Me I
go.
No,
tell
do it
you.
what I know. But you have people when just
I
come in
think
your life,
3 minutes.
cause conflict between you and your family, and block out
Thank
everybody.
you.
Right, run where your friends, run where all Bruno out a do, run where all the dog puppy away from you, for mentally lock you
Mama,
down.
what you style
Then
now?
when
What
you
you
mental
style now? Alright, me I try to show you something. Me I try to show you something. You see,
That she run
a
with
woman
all
with
him
her
dumpy them and
money
a
in
Bruno.
a real life, she not gonna take no talk from a man where not have no money and not have no substantial,
That's not
no
true.
substantial
That's not
certain.
that's
true.
not true. That's
That's
not
not
Being
true,
a
Dewey.
man,
That's not
she
true, Dewey.
Definitely
she
That's
the
not
not.
most have
true. That's
be
not true,
what's your
Dewey. That's
style in a
not
man?
true.
What's your
Man,
well?
I tell you it's
On
not true. An
might be a pick up
insecure
on might
woman.
be a pick up for the woman.
That's not
On
true,
might be a
Dewey.
pick up
Remember,
for
Can
the
say a
woman.
true
Let
put
woman.
me
it
You
from
have
just
to
my
tell
have
you.
an
point of view, Dewey.
insecure
That's
Let's say
not
woman.
true.
anybody where you see woman. Well, me now, as I say, me now, me I split the justice then. You see me? 50-50%. You understand? Or 70% then me I put it. You get me? In a real life. Woman may have them thing controlling.
Yes,
You hear that?
it sound good.
Know that. A man have to know that too. And if them say them can control you, them are gonna control. And no matter what you do, as I said, some
Do it some, but some woman who have been through it now go put a man through it, you know. You have some woman who have been some woman on here that's sorry for you, been through it in a woman's shoes. No woman with the pan here, I know them come America, I know them live in a man house like me
All
as an
right.
American, live in a man house already, and then them treat you bad because they have money. Yeah, do it, but people now put other people through it. You see, once
But
you've been
hold
through
on,
something,
Mellow.
you're not gonna
But
put
then
somebody else
again,
through it.
because we have
Like
to
what
play
Makoa
both
just said, it's not
sides, you
true.
know.
Not everybody
You
been
have
through that.
some woman out there that had nothing
Yeah, I
growing
am
up
playing both sides.
and they fight hard to accomplish what they wanted out of life. Them have to
One
fight,
thing, Mama, can
cry.
tell you
Hold
something.
on, I do it. Hold on.
Hold on, before you even say nothing, me just make a clear example. You see, from a man and woman a deal in a real life split. You see, if a man can't chat to a woman, it don't make no sense. You see, if a woman can't chat to a man, it don't make no sense. And when me say talk to, you a take what the man a say, and the man a take what the woman a say. You hear that? If that not happen, it don't make no sense.
Yeah, can I ask you one simple question? When you and your woman, when you and Queenie go out, right? She
She
push the
talk
money in her hand
it
from
on
in
the
the
live. She
house for
talk
go
it on the
because she know
live.
you not
She
have it. We
talk it
know.
on
All
the
right, come
live.
on. All right, she push the
Well
money in
on.
her hand. I'm asking because I don't be
Probably just
listening,
talking
to be
about this.
honest.
I'm just hungry. Push it.
Before me go nowhere, me have money in
Yes,
my pocket. So that answer all question. You get me? That answer all question.
thank you.
Okay, good, thank you. Yeah, because
You
that's
get me?
my like us
You
me
know
like say
my
outside
problem,
and bend over a man. Like
my
me don't
problem
know, even
is
if you know say you not
wherein
have it.
when they have the money and the money spent, this is what my problem is. What did you do with the money? And you sit down, remember enough for the whole DNA, they decide you know. You understand what I say? And we up and down, you see what we are do, everything from it spend, you see how it has spent. So why when the end of the day you gotta ask me what we do with the money? Or when me use the money and spend the money by? Them thing that piss me the I bet you never decide that me I spend the money and me have to give. Me have to give an account to tell you what me that do
I
with it.
feel like, I feel like,
Get me I say?
True,
but
and you buy
And
drinks,
Dewey,
feel me?
you buy the weed,
I
you
feel
buy
like in
everything
this
with the same money,
situation,
and then try
well,
to
I'm
look
not
for you
gonna
are
say
cussing
this.
and that with the money
Women
used.
that find a man that they know, like not have no money and certain things, as cause sometimes it's a control issue, cause them ever feel like them can't control you.
And
It's an insecurity.
Well, me can tell you something. I when a girl have a dirty money control, you say suck it. Hey, go suck yourself.
So no,
Uh,
there's some women like that. That's like, why you think? Hold on, Mello. Yeah, how you
you have
think
woman will
they
pray
say
for
when
a young
women
boy
date
like you and do
older,
this.
younger guys, the first thing comes to everybody head is, oh, she want to control the man because they're younger. I get that shit. I got that all the time. I be like, but that's true. A lot of women would date somebody that they feel like they control so they could control the hurt. And it's easier to control the relationship.
Do we? Speaking from a point where similar in a your position, because we all know how old my baby father is, we not have to bring up that. When you're hurt, when you get hurt in the past life, you build a bridge around you, and great people can come into your life and you verbally abuse them and you don't even know. So you do it because you're so hurt. It's like you use them as a punching bag. You want to lick the person who hurt you in afterlife, but
uh,
use this one. Why
me
never
can
go
tell
call
you
my baby
something.
father when I
Me
come
can,
off
me
of
can
this?
tell you something. Me can tell you something in a real life. On a big man level. You understand? You see, the moment me see somebody want put rope around my foot or my hand, cause them now put it around. Look somewhere else, man, here. This is not a goat.
I forgot to call my baby father. I'm not turn the line and make my ball over here, son.
The life is going to cut off.
I want to tell you before that.
Ah, no, 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 no. No, no, no.
That you see I cry, me I wonder
Oh,
what go on.
I just replay something I playing on my head.
I mean, woman, I saw badness come down, you know. You see me?
It's crazy.
Sometimes, you know, we have to take a word out of idea for really reminisce on certain things, you understand, and draw back your attention to it at the same time, you know. Mm-hmm. I just life, man. I hate that. Me tell a man say, for you put on a shoes, man, my God, man. If you can go and wear it, you wear it. When you can't wear it no more, man, you just dash it off, man. You know? I just life. So we all grow, you know. And me and I grow, you know, foot grow too, you know. Shoes I tend to get tight. You do
But anytime
me.
you go your bed, make sure you pray for you and your
Mm.
wife. And
Woman, me
ask
a
God
God youth,
to
you know.
heal.
I want to tell you something. I tell you this, me never left them out of prayer yet. You hear that? Always wish them good, you hear? Never tell a lie.
Yeah.
Always do it. Wish them the best in our life. Yeah,
I
that
read
is
the
it.
Bible verse and all.